Your Pixel phone's camera has different modes to help you capture the perfect video for any moment. To take a slow motion video, in the video mode carousel, select Slow Motion. The default slow motion setting is 1/4 time. To record in super slow motion, tap the edit icon at the bottom right. Tap 1/8 time. To take smooth panning shots that are cinematically slowed down like professional B-roll footage, select Pan at the bottom. To take cinematic videos with blurred backgrounds, select Blur. To set your focus, tap your subject. To change what's in focus, tap on something else in the viewfinder. You can use Video Boost to improve the quality, color, and details of your videos. To turn on Video Boost, tap Settings. Turn on Video Boost. Immediately after you've recorded a video, you can watch, edit, or share the initial video in the Photos app. The boosted video will take more time to upload and process, depending on the size of the video and your internet connection speed. You will receive a notification when your boosted video is ready to preview in the Photos app. The boosted video will have a Video Boost icon. To record higher quality nighttime videos, select Night Sight at the bottom. Night Sight automatically turns Video Boost on to improve lighting, color, and detail.